We have released these horses from their harnesses, so more and more they've become a natural herd, which is very collaborative, very inclusive, non-competitive. When teams come and see how they work with the horses, they realize that if there's collaboration and cooperation more than competition, that things go better. That if they have a relationship that's respectful and trustworthy, their horse coaches and partners will go with them anywhere. But if they try to force it or bully the horse or pressure them, the horses at 2,000 pounds will not go anywhere with them. There's a lot of untapped human potential that lives within all of us, and we are so inundated with information and technology. And I think in the presence of the horses, in the presence of nature, in our ecological identity, we begin to learn more about being human. We bring people here to learn more about what their strengths are and to begin to find who they are when they're really themselves. What they hear is the wind, and what they listen to is that deeper voice inside themselves. There's a song by Elton John and Luciano Pavarotti which says, "Someday we'll live like horses. We'll take down the fences and live free." And I believe that that's one of the things that the horses are trying to teach us.